Hey everyone and welcome to the AWS Certified Developer Associate certification. My name is Zeel and I'm going to be an instructor throughout the course. Now this certification is extremely important, specifically if you are a developer and you are planning to write code which integrates heavily with AWS services. So the blueprint of the AWS Certified Developer Associate certification consists of 4 domains, where the domain 2 is consists of the highest exam curriculum. Now this domain not only focuses on developer specific services like Elastic Beanstalk, DynamoDB, but it also focuses on solutions architect specific services like VPC, firewalls and various others. The primary reason for that is because as a developer, if you are integrating your code with various AWS services, you should have a basic overview as well as understanding on how to debug in case there are some issues related to connectivity between your code and AWS services. So this course is tightly integrated with the exam blueprint, and we cover each and every service which is specified along with the real world scenario for them. Now in order to start, we begin with the fundamentals of cloud computing. So if you're a beginner who do not understand cloud, we start from the absolute scratch. Followed by we begin with infrastructure primer. We look into serverless computing like AWS Lambda. We look into identity access management, developer tools and CI/CD with the help of code commit, code pipeline, code deploy, code build and various others. We also speak about DevOps primer with tools like Elastic Beanstalk, CloudFormation and others. We speak in detail related to message brokers like SQS and notification services, followed by simple storage services and DB, which consists of relational as well as NoSQL database and encryption primer. So the sections which are present over here, these are just the overview about what are the things that we will be covering. In the course we'll have much more higher sections, but we cannot put all of them in this slide, otherwise it would overflow. Now one important thing that I would always emphasize throughout the course is that primary aim is learning, and this is the reason why we always give more emphasis on doing things practically, understanding things in depth, and not just at the conceptual overview. Now one example I can give you is that before we actually do an introduction to AWS video, first video is introduction to cloud computing platforms, then we understand about cloud computing models, then we go ahead and understand about architecture of a cloud environment. We look into the characteristics of cloud service provider. So from the first 4 video, you will have a solid understanding on what CSP or cloud service providers are all about. And once we understand that, then we go ahead and understand about the Amazon Web Services, which is one of the cloud service provider. So this is the flow that we keep for most of our videos, where we start from absolute basics and then we go ahead understanding the basics on what services which AWS provides. So this is it about the course overview video. I'm pretty excited for this course. This is going to be the 10th course, and I am sure that this video has been informative for you, and I look forward to see you aboard.